Principal, Vice Principal Sir, dear teachers, and all my dear friends. It gives me a very great pleasure to welcome you here on today, Sport Day 2082. And same as usual, like previous year, this year also we are going to celebrate our sport meet. And we are gathered here uh, to celebrate our sport meets. We have series of sports today. So this there will be 3 days. We are enjoying our sport meets this time. So to begin this special occasion, so let us seek the blessing of the Almighty. So I request every student to be disciplined here. So we are going to officially enter into the formal programs, and we are going to begin the today's sport meets. So for the formal program, we will have some guests and chief guest and guest. So for today's sports meets 2082, I request our presiding officer, Mr. Navraj Kharka, to take the seats. Please welcome all of. Please welcome a big round of applause. I would like to request sir to come on the stage. Similarly, as the chief guest of the program, I would like to request our Vice Principal Sir, Mr. Ishwar Neopane. Please welcome to big round of applause all of you. Similarly, as a guest of the program, I would like to request our coordinator, respected Sir, Mr. Santosh Chaudhary. Similarly, I would like to request all the house teachers, all the teachers to be on their place, and let's welcome also. Welcome them, please. And welcome to you all, my dear students. Okay, so to our respected guests, honorable guests, today I would like to request the girls from grade 10 to 14, others and Tikas. Please. Clap all of you, I request. Welcome. Okay, thank you so much, all of you. Okay, clap all of you. Why are you stopping? Clap louder, everyone. So, okay, after that, so I would like to request our respected principal sir and other guests to lead the line. So for this, all of you, please clap. Clap louder, everyone. Okay, thank you so much, sir. Okay, so after this, so there we have ribbon cutting. So time. So for this, I would like to request. So for that, I would like to request our presiding officer, sir, and other special and chief chief guest to involve. Now this is the time of formally opening our sports meets 2082. So all of you support our swords with big round of applause. Everyone. Clap, clap, everyone. Okay. Clap, clap, clap. Big team and clapping, everyone. Don't stop, please. Don't clapping.
Login mode. Bluetooth mode. Connected.
So I would like to request all our guests to take their respective seats. So now it's time for national anthem. So I request all the students to sing national anthem. Okay. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Okay, thank you so much, all of you. Okay, thank you so much, all of you. So now it's time for the speech. So, students, so we will have different games today. Today, very exciting day, most awaited event of the year also. This is one of the most awaited event for you. So, let me remind you today that you will play a game, you will play different games very fairly. We will enjoy till 3 p.m. and we have different types of games, many games, and I will later tell you that also. But this time, let me call our presiding officer, Mr. Navraj Khanda, for speech. Please give in big round of applause.
Thank you, sir. So, special guest, our Vice Principal, Sir Ishwar Jaukani, and Coordinator, Sir Santosh Chaudhary, sir, and dear students, and all the teachers. So, today, each year we make a sports week. So last year also we had concluded very nicely. So this year also we are going to start. So main thing is you must be very careful. There must not be quarrel, fight or wound. So carefully you need to play. Normally, sports means exercise. So now you are young, very young, and you are running everywhere. It is very difficult to control also. That's why your body is fit and fine, very sportive. So when slowly you grown up and being older day by day, then you may stop running, you may stop playing. Then what happens? Different kinds of diseases, different kinds of problems seen in your body. That's why, so be as a child always, be sportive, do exercise always, and drink sufficient water, and do yoga and meditation. These things make you healthy and happy in your life. If you are means healthy body, healthy mind. So think always. So for food also, you must be careful to eat. Who eats less, they live longer. That's why don't go behind the food always. Eat, but not very much. Another thing is, you must be careful for your belongings, things, and the things which school has provided also. Because these things for your facilities, for your comfort. That's why we need to use very carefully. And normally, I just found water was just running. Tap was open. You must have sense. Okay, when you go, water will not make ourselves. That's why that's the natural thing. We need to preserve. Only needed, we need to use. So, I wish everybody for healthy competition in this sports week. Be friendly each other and play nicely, and be careful also for your body. Thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your words. So, as sir said, everyone knows that you must be abide by the rules and regulations in order to maintain the game is healthy. For healthy competition, you must abide by the rules. Very simple. Everyone will understand, we hope. We hope you will understand this. So we have another short program, that is oath taking ceremony. So for this, I would like to request our special guest, Vice Principal, Sir Mr. Ishwar Nurkane.
Thank you very much, Master of Ceremony, Vikas sir. Respected Presiding Officer, guest sports coordinators, and my dear friends. We are really excited today because in the arena of Anupam, we are going to have a lovely program, that is Sports Meet 2082. So everybody is happy, cheerful. So you must know School is not only a temple of knowledge, but a ground where champions are nurtured. What type of ability you gain here, you can explore later in your universities, in your life. Let us cheer not only for the winners, but for every student who dares to compete. Let us remember that medals shine for a moment, but the values of sportsmanship shine for a lifetime. As we are going to start the program very soon, I urge each of you, run with passion, play with honor, and celebrate with joy. May this day ignite in us the fire to strive harder, aim higher, and dream bigger. So, it's my honor to conduct this oath program. So I would like to request all the students to keep their right hand in their chest and follow after me. Whenever I say Mr. or Miss, you have to say your name. When I say grade, you have to tell your grade. And
Everyone keep that.
follow other things. Okay. I,
Keep everyone.
your name you have to say. You say your name. And Anupamian, studying in your grade. What's your grade? Is committed to fulfill the duties of a sportsman in an effective way. I will not be biased towards anything. I will follow all the rules and regulations of sportsmanship and make this program memorable. Thank you. Hands down, everybody.
Okay, thank you, sir. Okay, so as you have taken the oath, you will do so. We hope. That's why everyone, you must be abide by the rules and regulation of the school. Now it's time for the march. Now time for the march past. So for that, let me call at the front school captain and vice captain. Please come on the stage to hold national flag, similar school, any school's flag. I request our guests to provide flags to them. Please, school captain and school vice captain come on the stage to receive the flag. Similarly, for the house flag, I would like to request green house captain to come on the stage.
Okay, clap everyone.
Everyone, please clap it. Green house captain. Similarly, house captain of red house, please come on the stage to take your house flag.
Quick, show your activeness.
Be active, everyone.
Hurry up.
Don't stop clapping, everyone. Please clap louder. Be active. Similarly, may the house captain please come on the stage to receive your flag, house flag.
Red House. Red House.
Similarly, please house captain also please come on the stage to receive your flag, house flag.
Both captain and vice captain, you have to come, eh? Both captain and vice captain from his house.
Now we will soon performing march past. So now, okay, now it's time for the mass pass. So first of all, school captain and school vice captain will move forward, and
Hey, Niranjan.
house captain will follow you, and you will follow your captain. And at last, you will be come in your own position. Understood? Same as in the morning assembly. You did.
Like this.
Now march time, everyone.
Sir, I think first of all, they will sit at.
Now stand, everyone.
Everybody,
March past.
captain and vice captain, be in front of the house. Be in front of the house, eh?
So, start, everyone start.
Wait. You have to wait. Go. Everyone do not pass. Left, right. Left, right. Look out. Yeah. Ready, straight.
Okay, so hands come down, all of you. Hands come up once. Again, hands side. Hands down. Stand at this. Are you listening to me?
Hey, follow
Are you listening or not? Then do it properly. Stand at it. Attention. Stand at it. Don't be lazy. If you become lazy in first day, then all in sport meet you will be lazy. Do it properly then. Stand at it. See the condition. Attention. Stand at it. Attention. Okay. So now we have different games today. So we will complete our sports weeks in 3 days. So today is the first day. So we will try to complete the following game. Musical chair. The coordinator is Bharati ma'am. For today's game, today this game will be taken place. Table tennis, me, Vikas sir. Balloon blast, Pushpa ma'am. Chess, Sagar sir. Hit the target, Siddharth sir. Relay race, also me. 3-leg race, Anita ma'am. So accordingly, you get prepared like this. Similarly, here I have get the list of the players of basketball. So name of there will be 4 teams. 4 teams for boys and 3 teams for girls. And for girls basketball team, group 1, Osmani, Geeta, and Krizal. Another group, Aditi, Nistara, and Nikisa. Next group, Deepika, Grishma, and Swarnima. So it is managed like this. Similarly for boys, in group 1, Samrakshan Pandit, Rakshak Rana Magar, Rajan Thapa, Sushant Fuyal, Sumit Sunwar, Anmol Adhikari. Team 1. Next, group 2, Deep Santwadi, Eunice Gising, Deepak Bora, Sugam Thapa Magar, Youth Pariyar, Ritik Khanal. Next, group 3, Kishore Pranil, Janice Prayas, Ashwin, Arush. Now group 4, Rizan, Jain, Teja, Biresh, Dipesh and Sushil Chand. So there are altogether 6 members in a team. So one will be extra. So basketball will not be taken place today. I think it will be decided maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow accordingly. So now I will allocate your respective place till the sport till today's dismiss. So you will sit in your respective place and support your team. And next things, remember, all of you listen carefully. Sit in your respective place. Tell captain and vice captain if you want to move or if you want to go washroom or somewhere. Don't move here and there. So last time you were moving here and there. So while calling your name, it's very difficult to find you. That's why this time we don't want to see that condition. Yeah, so here house teacher also you will consult your teachers. Similar, don't misuse playing items. So don't play with the playing items. Don't keep these items here and there. Understand not? Understand not? Don't do the habit of taking it in your bag also sometimes. Last time we have seen this. Listening or not? For example, table tennis bat, keeping in the bag. Don't do like this. Give playing items to teachers after use. You must listen, eh? You listen, all of you. This yellow boys, last time. What are you doing? Listen to me. Next thing, sit in an appropriate place. Appropriate place, you know that this. And next thing, keep your belonging in an appropriate place after games. Like bottles, brace, tie. Sometimes you will forget your jackets. Sometimes you will lost your bottles. That's why be aware of this type of condition. You will play a whole day, and while before going home, you will search. You start searching and you will not find. That's why you must keep those items in appropriate places. Understood, all of you? Understood or not? Okay, so sit in your appropriate place, stand in your appropriate place, and support your team with discipline. So, so let me tell your place. So, play house, go this side. Please, you can move forward. Please. For yellow house, so you may go that side. Near office. Beside office. Similarly for red house. Yeah, that corner. Beside class 8 and 7. And for green house.
This side, near all.
Yeah, near hall. Beside class 4. You can keep waiting for a while.